Alright, hello YouTube. You can see how my face is like molting right now. Guess I just got my toothache. Sadly, next week I'm gonna make a PC. So I bought this second-hand SSD. As you can see, the heatsink's gone. I'm gonna install it here just to test it. And I thought, wouldn't be a good idea for the recorded video. Nice 5-minute video, half my face is melted. And you know, as a challenge, can I put this SSD here without complaining too much, you know? Because little do you know, when I look down, all the like this meat is just going down as well. Just pain. It's fucking pain. Even if I smile, I'm in deep pain. It sucks. So I'm gonna put this SSD on, and hopefully my life less suck. As you can see, it's a Western Digital video. As you can see, I have a double camera setup. Fuck. Oh my God. If I lose one of these, my brother will kill me. He will crucify me the Mexican way. Not even Mexican. Alright. I had to put these nails somewhere. Didn't think that far, you know. Sometimes when you get tape, it fixes everything, right? Hello? My brother came in the room. He doesn't give two shits. Most of the camera is gonna be here anyway, so I'll just continue. Okay. Yeah.
And so he met his match. His first obstacle. What an idiot.
Let me smile, that pains me. Oh wow, yeah, this guy doesn't want to go out. What the fuck do you do with this? Oh. Wow. Incredible. It's fighting back. It's saying screw you.
And so it begins. Ivan starts to lose himself in opening this god fucking needle.
No.
Man, he should give up. But he continues because mama don't raise no bitch.
Oh my. I'll flip it again. Why doesn't it want to go out? What did I do last time? Oh man.
It's Ivan versus Philips M2.0 with PH0 headed screw. Who will fucking win this fight?
You know what? I'm cutting the fucking video, dude. Like, it's been 15 fucking minutes.
It seems Ivan has given up. Subscribe to make him cheer up. Will the screw win this fight? Or will he triumph?
Back. I'll be fucking back. Alright. I'm fucking jeez. I have a magnetic pen thing. Open it like that. Holy shit. Now, quick tip, never use a metal edge. Alright, never ever use a metal edge. This is the hard part. I'll clean this up first. No. Looking down sucks. I'm missing one piece. Bastian, you're joking, man. Now, the second hard part. Okay, I think you're supposed to teach my view. Okay, take the corner edges off. Oh, and it plops up. Look at that. Unironically, that is the easiest part. Okay. Classic double team-up pins, dude. Sheesh. Ooh, it's definitely gonna be hard for you to open it. Poor thing. Anyway, this is my WD setup. And I don't know why they didn't do this in the video. Before you do anything, you open the battery, which I believe is this one. Am I doing it? Closer look. This is the max order. It's this part right here. Okay. Okay, you're pissing me off, bro. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. That's disconnected enough. Alright. Now, you just need to open them. I'm kind of winging it. Oh no, you just straight up. Yeah, he did disconnect it. Alright, he did disconnect it. I don't know why he didn't tell us to do that, but he disconnected the battery. Are you still recording? Ooh. This is thermal. Look at that. I should do. This is it. Okay, I have no idea how he places it. Oh my god, it's not slotting in. I don't know what's happening. Oh, I might get it. This is beyond annoying, dude. This is hard. How the shit did he do it like that, bro? Oh, it's either that or it's not even. You're not even supposed to pull it like fully in. It's like this, like that. Like is. Yeah, I don't even know where we go. Oh man, holy shit! Did he just like smack it? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, I did it. Oh my god. There we go. Oh, I don't know if you caught me. I smacked it in. Hopefully that didn't fuck anything up. That should be easy. I heard a click. Boom. Boom bada bing, bro. Now let's put the casing back in. Right now. Put the casing back in. What am I fucking doing, bro? Fucking put the thing back. Hopefully it's supposed to bend. Looks really bendy. Alright. You're in. This like I glued this part and that one. Do not do that, bro. Use a tape, because I didn't know this, but speakers actually don't use the diaphragm. There's the vibrations caused by the diaphragm. I didn't know that. There's a helpful one where you can just tape it, like leave it be. Do not glue it. I recommend you do not glue it, because then you will ruin the vibration. It would not vibrate. All right. Now we turn this on. And once there's an Acer logo, spam F2. Did it just kill itself? Okay. Oh, fuck it. Okay, it is here. Look, I don't even need to go to BIOS like that shit. Oh, never mind. It is not detected. It is detected here. There's something I have to do about it. I remember. So it turns out in BIOS you can't really see anything, but here it is detected. Look at that shit. I don't look at it. And I can't put that. Such a good engineer, bro. It is detected. Look at that shit. I don't.
This is an Acer Nitro 5. Again.
Mulai dengan solusi Google Cloud lalu akses langsung ke kredit gratis. Sebagai pengguna baru,
Oh, it is detected. I'm an idiot.
90 hari
It's I just don't have anything on it.
Uji coba kecuali peningkatan tahap.
Okay. Oh, nice. This is 1 terabyte. Success, baby.